Bad news for Judy Austin, though, my people. Why Star Dike be like this? My country people, oh, a lot of things don't they go on for the life of Yul Edochie and Judy Austin ever since when it be say they notice say Star Dike, their first pikin, where be say them born out of adultery, when be say na that pikin, na cause the genesis of Yul Edochie marriage scatter down for. Yes, they notice say Star Dike no dey behave normal like every other pikin. So they come dey notice say Star Dike get some kind the defects abi deformation wey be say online, some of all this online in-law they say na autism, while some people say na like spiritual something. Now, according to report, that day when it be say Yul Edochie friend visit am, when the other pikin, they show a clip whereby, maybe I go put that clip Mona see, whereby the other pikin they jump, they play. Star Dike lie down, Yul Edochie raise am from that up, say make he greet him friend. So, and if I notice some of all those clips where we say that always they show Star Dike no they talk. Yes, because you get a lot of pikin that when we say people they take do content, you go see say that pikin they go must show where that pikin talk something. Star Dike now is getting to 4 years. Star Dike no they talk. Yes, and so now a lot of speculation don't they go on saying why the thing be like this. So that particular day when we say Yul Edochie friend come, Yul Edochie friend notice that thing. Come tell am say this a pikin, he get as e be. You need to work out for this pikin. You need to find out wetin be the problem. Now yo they tell am say this in pikin so, this in pikin so. Say they don't carry and go hospital. They check, nothing they happen. They say nothing they wrong with the pikin. They don't even go see pediatrician. They tell them say nothing they wrong with the pikin. Say but in surprise say the pikin they grow, they come they turn another thing entirely. Now, this thing now they cause quarrel between Yul Edochie and Judy Austin. So allegedly, now when this thing they cause quarrel between him and Yul Edochie, Judy can't go meet can't go call in sister when Augusta is a wine. You know say that one they do all this local native doctor work. According to report, when Judy go meet his sister, they tell am say this Star Dike matter they give am concern. Say how they wan come do this whole matter. Augusta come tell am say they go see somebody. Augusta I know say he get all this herbalist, all this witch doctor. She get am plenty where she they follow. Now Augusta come carry Judy. They go somewhere according to report allegedly. So when they reach, according to report, when they reach, the Eze for there come tell Augusta and Judy say the things when it be so una they do it too much. Una too do. The things what be say una they put for yo make una take control am. Yo if for example now say them put something for Yul, say things will be say they go take control and will be say anything will be say talk, anything will be say Judy talk now yo they do. those things wey be say that they put for am. If for example say that the one be say they say put inside food, once they put am for food for yo they give Dike those food they chop. Yo they ignorantly, maybe if he they eat, you go put for Dike mat, and then they don't already tell Judy say make only you eat the food. Now if Judy serve the food for you, Judy supposed to carry her children come off for there. But whether you no trust Judy, you go carry the food first give Dike, you go give him the pussy. So they go follow chop the kaya matter together, chop whatever burial ceremony, all those things, they go chop up. So according to the woman, say now all those things where we say that they put for food for yo where they chop, they say they do mumu. Now they put for now yo they give Dike. Maybe if they chop, and I know how children they behave now. Their papa go they eat, they will come there where their papa they eat. Their papa will carry small put for their mouth. Say that is the genesis of Dike problem. Say now that food will be say that they put kaya matter, because my people allegedly, so they say you don't say that those things one they see, so they get their own repercussion. They have their own repercussion. You feel they do say this thing they work. Even all those men where they say that they use kaya butter for them, you they see say that they behave like mumu. So now the thing where we say they affect Dike be that. Now when the woman, the wine where we say they go meet, they tell them this thing. 9 days a while, they tell Judy say, wetin be Judy color of problem? Say because he don't they overdo things, he don't they do things. One, as one say, this man now is not your man. Why you will continue to they put those kaya butter for him for food? This man now, he not there with his wife. Every work where they say you're supposed to work for a head, you don't work and finish. Why you will continue to do am the more? My people, Judy became so desperate because she feel say Queen May. In fact, don't be say she feel say. The fact is that your Edochie mind seen there for where Queen May dey. Your Edochie heart never come up for where Queen May dey. Your Edochie, they regret everything. They regret everything from even as things they go on. You know they happy. Judy no. Judy want to make sure say he secure your Edochie completely. And it's not possible. If you like to do just for somebody so far, the person gets that heart. As I say your heart belongs to this person. Just go do the one when he be say go do. Just go do the one when he say go do, but the reality must tell on the person. So according to reports, the Eze was telling Augusta say all those things when it be so na they do. Every Eke market day, una go conjoin, una go do minana, body one na put for water, body one na put. He say una don dey overdo am. Una don dey overdo am. I say it don't dey affect your pikin. So the earlier you stop, the better. After all, you don't already married, you don't already win the guy out. The guy there with you now for house. You wait and they rent as soon as they stay. In wife back don't already forget about time. So I don't know why you are still feeling insecure. Your insecurity now go lead you to something when it be say by the time you go realize that you go down too late. He tell Judy Ekwensu say, you say this pikin, if you continue like this, you no go like wetin you see. And once this pikin no dey well, it go be the sorrow. Now there the sorrow go start between you and yo. Say now you better reduce those things wey be say you dey do, and make sure this pikin no dey eat. This pikin no dey eat from those ngwongwo, kaya mata, and the rest wey be say you dey put for yo. Because so long as you still dey put those things and your pikin dey eat, your pikin go dey behave like mumu, because e get side effect. It's not meant for Dike. It's meant for yo, so that you go get power, you go get control over him, you go get influence over him. So my people, yo now, yo dey vex say he no know why things go dey happen like this for am. So as Judy just notice say the thing now don dey tell on their marriage, na make her dey seek solution. Now the solution where she go seek, where they come dey tell am say the kaya butter wey be say they put for food, na dey affect Dike. Because anytime wey be say serve yo food, yo dey put some spoon of rice or eba for Dike mat. Dike go come eat am. So the effect na dey see so. Because according to report, when Chigozie came to the house, saw Dike like this, now he tell yo say this pikin get as e be, say make he carry am go hospital. Now Dike, now Edochie tell am say this pikin wey you dey see, so they don carry am go hospital. They don't even go see pediatrician say nothing wrong with Dike. That is why in the that make her dey ask Judy also say wetin dey go on, what is happening. Say he no understand. All the pikin dem when he born, even with Queen May, they are all complete. Say which one can be this one? He no understand what is going on. So when this matter don dey cause too much quarrel for them, na be this one wey be say Augusta. You know say na Augusta na be the eze wine person when he be say if they want to dey mediate into people marriage. Husband he no see, pikin he no see. He don already married deity. So as you see am so, he own don finish. So now the solution where they come dey find, where they come go beat that is the one. The one call they tell, they say see what be the problem. Say make they stop. Say the one they don't do, it don't too much. My people, the issue now be say Judy Ekwensu he go gree stop, because from what I'm seeing now, he not go stop. The only thing wey be say he go do be say anytime when be say yo they eat now, baby go try his best to make sure say Dike don't follow chop the food, or Ndobisi no follow chop the food. That's the only way where we say. Because if you look at this Judy, her own Despirara don't be here, and she's not backing out so soon. So my people know that the matter we say e dey grand be this. Make una like, make una share our video. Una have a nice day. Bye.